Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so right here I am on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Forex Trend Detector Expert Advisor. I can see it is developed by Lacheza Krastev. Current version is 5.3, last updated on 17th July 2023, and it is priced at 217 US dollars with a discounted offer from the regular price of 547 US dollars based on what is written here. So from the description, this EA is designed as an automated trading system that focuses on following market impulse, or what it refers to as smart money movement. And it also highlights a volatility breakout approach combined with a drawdown compensating algorithm, which is aimed at controlling risk during active trading conditions. Now, scrolling down into the features, one of the key ideas here is that it is built to follow smart money flow with precise market entries and a strong focus on risk control. It also includes a drawdown management system, profit protection logic, and a visual risk indication system so users can monitor exposure more clearly. I also notice it supports Euro USD and GBP USD with M5 recommended as the time frame. For backtesting, it suggests using M5 with every tick data or a faster M1 open price method for quick evaluation. Moving into the settings, there are controls like long and short trade activation, spread and slippage limits, stealth mode for hidden stop loss and take profit, trailing stop logic, and other parameters like safe exits and magic number management. So now I'm just going to switch into the strategy testing section, and looking at the images provided here, we can see that these are basically showing winning streak of the expert advisor, and this shows the backtest result. Profit over $4.3 million. Drawdown was 23.47% according to this information here, and total trades taken were 4,563. I'm looking for the initial deposit. Seems like it was not added here. All right. Anyways, let's just head over to our strategy tester so that we can test the EA using 2026 market conditions. So let's head over to the strategy tester. We are testing the Forex Trend Detector Expert Advisor on Euro USD on the M5 time frame, and we are testing it from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling. Looking at the results, from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was $32.7. The total trades taken were 95. Short trades were 44 with a 59.09% win rate. Long trades were 51 with a 52.94% win rate. Out of the 95 trades, 53 were profitable, giving us a 55.79% profitability. Now, the largest profit was 6.51 and the largest loss was 3.51. The average profit was 3.32 and the average loss was 3.41. So this gives us an average risk to reward ratio that is not good, because the average loss is actually bigger than the average profit. So in as much as the average risk to reward ratio is close to 1:1, the losing trade on average is more than the winning trade on average, right? So it's a bad RRR. And it's not surprising that when you put the risk to reward ratio side by side with the win rate, no, it's not surprising to get a small total net profit over the space of 5 months. So looking at the historical backtest chart, the behavior seems aligned with a volatility breakout style, where the EA reacts to market movements and attempts to capture momentum phases rather than constant activity. The trade distribution looks structured around directional moves, with exits appearing managed through predefined risk and protection logic. So from the historical results, this is purely backtesting performance. All right. So it is important to remember that results can vary depending on broker conditions, spreads, slippage, and the risk settings used. Okay. So just very briefly, I'm just going to turn on the visuals so that we can see the EA in action. All right. Just for a moment. So we can see the dashboard here showing account holder tester. Okay, the account type is demo, account leverage 500, the account currency, showing the broker time, the balance, the free margin, stop loss, and take profit. Okay, so we can see the EA in action, and it seems to be taking its time to look for opportunities in the market. And based on the techniques, the strategy that the EA is using, you can see that it seems to be opening multiple trades. It is the type of EA that can actually open multiple trades at the same time, or have running positions simultaneously, whether they are open at the same time or not. Okay. Overall, the EA presents a structured approach around trend impulse and volatility movement, but I would still recommend running longer term testing across different market periods to really understand how it behaves in different conditions before considering any live application. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.